Shortly after Einstein published his general theory of relativity, his theory of the force of gravity, other people began to investigate the equations. And a German astronomer, mathematician named Karl Schwarzschild, he realized something quite strange by studying Einstein's math. He realized that there might be situations in which enough matter would be crushed to a sufficiently small and dense state that the resulting object would have such a powerful gravitational pull that nothing at all could pull away, not even light, so the object would be dark, it would be black. Years later, John Wheeler gave the name black holes to this kind of object. Einstein himself never believed that black holes would be real, would actually form out there in the universe. But nevertheless, there were those who developed ideas about how black holes might actually be formed from stars. And here's how the idea goes. So if we have a star, say a red giant, it supports its own weight by nuclear processes that happen in the core of the star that generate an outward push. But sooner or later, every star is going to use up its nuclear fuel. And when it does, there's nothing that can push outward any longer, so the star begins to implode in on itself, getting hotter and denser, ultimately giving rise to an explosion that happens and ripples outward toward the surface of the star. And when it gets to the surface, that explosion will blow off the surface of the star, and what remains is a tiny, dense core that can no longer support its own weight, so this core will collapse into a black hole. So here is a mechanism by which these strange objects would actually form in the universe, and now we know through observations that on this point Einstein was wrong. His math is right. Black holes are real and plentiful in the universe.